If you want to start using these new...
I'm a fan of the Vaadin Fusion library, TypeScript library with the components, the web components, and I'd love to use them. And especially I love this Vaadin Fusion CSS layouts video, which is to present this lumo-css framework. And that video is awesome. This is exactly the way I love to lay out my components. This would give me the biggest flexibility with the smallest amount of code. So, and then I went ahead and I decided to make an experiment. I downloaded a to-do startup package from the Vaadin website, and I started with the regular command. So here is my application is running fine, and this is the user interface it has. Therefore it's live at the moment. So when I enter here, say left empty dot hello, and when I save it, refresh the screen, it's hello. So it works quite fine. And then, okay, then the next step would be, because I wanted to give an experiment to this, to install this lumo-css-framework and check out what's going to happen when I try to npm install lumo-css-framework. So first it starts complaining old log file. Yeah, that's, for me, that's okay. I have seen this kind of message. And but what I really don't like, that invalid package name, and then it seems to me that the whole process goes down, because lumo should be a normal dependency, Vaadin dependency. I don't see it here. And also this is the lit css loader. This is where I'm expecting lumo to be displayed. Yeah, that, oh sorry, this is the dev dependencies, and these are the dependencies, the runtime dependencies, and I see no lumo anywhere. So I don't know, my npm version is npm and node version. So I think this is quite decent, recent versions, and all my other application works fine. So can you help me? How can I solve this issue? Thanks.